Hello everyone, my name is Giang. Today I want to tell you about my house. It is a single story house with one room. It is a small house in the countryside. My favorite room is the bedroom. We have a lot of features like a bed, a wardrobe, a study desk, and a chair. I often live in my room watching movies and reading books. My house also has a very large garden where many types of fruit are grown. I really like my house because it is very spacious and comfortable. This is a little introduction about my house. Thank you for everyone listening.